got Stan the Man, aka Steamer, just showing up here. The Steamer Man. We're documenting this trip. Okay, we're going to a motorcycle rally, Thunder in the Valley, Johnstown, PA. Guess what? We're not taking motorcycles because we have weather like this. It just like rains every day here. Okay, we'll give you a little update a little bit later. Thanks, guys.
Exit right to State Route 281, Somerset, Stoysdown Road.
This is before and after pictures right here. Steamer! Okay. The room before it gets destroyed.
Bed big enough for a king.
King bed. Got a refrigerator. This is the essentials right here. Yes, man. Okay, we're going to preview Steamer's room. Okay, if you ever come to Somerset, it's 231 as we can see. Stanley has to have double beds. I guess he's expecting guests.
No guests.
Essentials. Refrigerator, yes. Chips, beer.
First thing I did when I got
look
here.
at
Very first thing.
Stocked up nicely. Very good.
Nice,
very good.
Nice and neat.
Yeah, this guy's all right.
Granola bars, in case we're here for an extended stay.
Healthy. Hey, what is that? That is blue sky. That is blue sky. Something we haven't seen in quite a while. Nice. Did you hit anybody?
No. Just quiet.
Okay, now we're good.
Can you turn on us? Come on. Shit, right? Oh my God, you suck.
Dude, hang on, you gotta shut it off.
Clock, that's 6 hours.
It's 3 hours. It's 3 o'clock in the West Coast. I'm on West Coast
3 hours Canadian.
It's time via Huey Lewis time. That's what time.
3 hours Canadian. That's what it is.
Canadians, man.
No chicken. No chicken out. I don't like chicken. I'm taking the shit for it. I can't help it.
See, Stanley, in between the Easter eggs, which are really chocolate, these little gummies are extra special.
Yeah, I don't eat those.
Oh, they're
I don't do drugs. I'm sorry.
Oh, really?
Drugs
all they
are
got in
bad.
is the same thing as you smoke. That's all they got in.
Drugs are
With the
bad.
video camera on you? No, I don't.
Oh,
No, none of us do.
We haven't even drank yet today.
Oh, yeah. Alcohol is not a drug. Let me take a picture of you. I've been telling Dan you said hi.
Yes.
Tell Ann I said hi.
You're shooting him, shooting us.
Canada Charlie.
Okay. So, we got Charlie on film. He's thinking I'm a little crazy with this gizmo. He calls it a gizmo on my phone.
Crazy.
Hey, I gotta bleep that out.
Oh, sorry.
I gotta bleep that out.
Sorry about the F-bomb.
But you don't say
Chad.
the F word. You can't publish that.
Chad. Oh, yeah, okay. You're not going to publish this. Okay, sorry. I apologize from the bottom of my ass. I'm really sorry.
I want to spend more time editing. Yes, I do. Thanks, Charlie. Okay. Later. Till later. Much later.
Walk back in and get the other 12 pack. I'm like, this should
Really?
be. Why? Because it's a new thing that they're doing in Pennsylvania. You used to have to go to a package store, but now like the convenience store Sheetz has alcohol, but you can only buy no more than a 12 pack. So they have to ring me up twice. You have to buy one 12 pack and then buy another 12 pack. Okay. And then you have to walk one out the door, turn around, set it out there for someone to steal on the sidewalk. Walk back in, get the other 12 pack. Oh, I had to run them down. I'm a fat guy, but I can fucking run. And then I'm going to KJ's car. He's still alive in a car wash. I'm like, we got beer. Fucking running out back there. He's alive in the car wash. Fucking God. And we got more beer.
Just like you're running a fucking
And the videotape.
Oh, fuck.
I don't even like it.
I already know these guys.
Oh, you know,
We already told him about this.
Earlier.
We were like, hey, have you met our friend Charlie from Canada?
Yeah.
He's like, oh yeah, I think I know him.
Don't talk to him. You broke the rule already.
pretty sure he said unfortunately.
You can't put that on there.
He is the king of money. He loves.
Here, if you're gonna do video, I gotta look better.
Oh, yeah.
Look cool, man.
He's on there all the time.
Hit me with your best shot.
See, men without facial hair can look tough. If you don't think I'm tough, just ask me. I'll tell you.
Okay, Charlie, your profiling moment.
You're profiling.
Are you going to tell me about how tough men are? Okay, John, your profiling moment.
Profiling like this? You want me to do face like Madonna? What do you want me to do? Profiling.
You can talk metric if you want. We had that discussion before.
I don't know. What do you want me to do?
It's going on YouTube.
John is from Canada. Charlie here he's from Canada too.
From Canada.
Steamer.
I'm from Poland.
He's
actually.
not from Canada, man.
Well, my seaman was from Poland.
Hey.
They made me.
Hey, babe.
Hi, you've never been to see there,
Like sausage.
That's to you, Debbie. There's an IV.
He loves sausage.
Eagle Bay. You know Eagle Bay is? No. Just up in Old Fort. Just north of Old Fort. Yeah, we got a camera.
Can I make it right?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, right. Nice.
Mine's up. It's a venture.
Roll with your guy.
Natural. He doesn't want to slip it.
Hey, come on. We're not. Constantly always kissing.
So, Charlie, are you still gay? Or did you
wait.
Why are you videotaping? You better.
Hey, you boys haven't seen this picture, right?
The what?
It's a Christian motorcycle club.
Oh my God! Not a good weekend for them to be here, probably.
No way. Did you say Christian motorcycle?
There's a couple of ones there. And I think
I'm married, and I love my wife.
Hey, did you bring your
Drone? No.
Oh, where's this?
I crashed the drone.
Really?
I heard you crashed the drone.
So you were the guy on State Farm.
Yeah, knocking over the trees.
I plead not guilty. Totally guilty. I plead not guilty.
I crashed the drone.
Oh, no,
There's no story.
hit a tree, and then they took another drone, tried to knock it out of the tree, and that didn't work.
Okay. For lighting, guys, I have to walk this way because for lighting, go ahead. It doesn't work. against the grain. Hey, B.
A lot of Canadians, eh? Canadians, eh? A lot of Canadians, eh?
A. I'll give you the A. What day is it? Oh, it's not Wednesday.
You should take a video of that.
Clutch cover. Get down to the clutch cover.
Stop video, we're talking!
You got any sauerkraut? Any sauerkraut to put on that doggy?
You are such a dick. We're having man talk. Shut the phone off.
Jesus Christ. Social rapist.
He's gonna put
He's gonna put it
on
raping you.
YouTube, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna get paid for 1 million hits because we're cool.
Yeah.
We made it famous, right?
That's right.
And he ain't gonna give
Exactly.
us shit. He ain't give us nothing.
Not royalties, not 5% royalties, nothing.
I'll pay you two guys clown fees. Both of you clown fees.
Guess what? The clown rate's $100K a year.
Expensive clowns, are you?
Yes, we're good.
Hey, you know
we're
what?
good.
You know what the rodeo clown gets? The horn.
Some teachers in there.
Yeah.
And Johnny walks in, he sits down, and she says, okay, class, she says, my name is Prissy. That's that word with an R. Johnny starts laughing. Later in the hallways, walking down, and he sees the teachers. He goes, I remember who you are. You're Miss Crunt with the R. With the R.
Oh my God.
Pussy Crunt.
That was a classic, guys. I think I might have to pay you guys after all. I don't know if I'm going to call it talent fee, though. I might have to nix that down a little bit.
You got that video?
We're trying.
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh, no problem.
VMax. Everything says VMax on it. You notice it? Thunder.
Good morning. Saturday. We are going to go into Johnstown for the rally. Check it out. They got National Act Firehouse and Old Ladies Band playing there tonight. See if we make it that long. We'll tune in between. Show you some of the stuff that's going on at the rally. Vendors, that kind of stuff. Come to a motorcycle rally in a car. What's wrong with you, boy? You guys are doing it all right, man.
Thank you.
Nice. How you doing?
How are you?
Hi, good. How you doing?
mythology. You might know it.
Update. We just got back from the rally about an hour ago, and hey, we're gonna go to back to the rally. We've got more people, so that's a little quick update for you. Come back from the rally about an hour and a half ago. Got in a little bit of dinner at Ruby Tuesdays. Chain place, but pretty damn good for a chain place. So now we are headed back to the rally with more people. You're on video, man, not a still.
I get it? How about this?
Okay, scoping the scene out right here.
I thought you were trying to take a picture behind you. Get her on video. Down here at the end of the bar. Hey. I thought you were taking a picture behind you. One take. Right behind that guy. There you go. Right here.
I don't know where you're talking, Charlie.
You know exactly where you're talking.
You're in lion sack.
No. You know it.
Oh, pink. Okay, yeah. Now I got you.
A bit of an asshole there, but
it's like not dirtier old men, kind of a combination between grumpier old men and dirty old men. Yeah. Okay, so did I scope out the situation?
My 8th rally here, 7 years, and there is no place in the world that I work that I get welcomed like I do in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. You guys having a good time? Let me hear you make some noise. Who's ready for Firehouse tonight? Yeah, I thought that would get you guys going. I think I just want to do white though.
Good morning. Sunday morning, getting ready to leave the rally site, and it's a beautiful day. And I put a little bit of a loop going home. We're going to stop at Denny's Beer Barrel Pub. Famous place with us guys, and get to give you guys a little look-see on that too. Coming up. Sitting here at Denny's Beer Barrel Pub in Clearfield, Pennsylvania. Going to do normal burgers this time. Stan and I are both sitting at a table here. The challenge that I did 2 or 3 years ago, I think it was, and never again. I did succeed and pass it. Here, my shirt because of it. I'm wearing it today. First time ever, I think, since I did the challenge. But we're going to have normal burgers here, and I'll give you a shot of that when they come out. We're also right before noon, so we're beating a rush. Being here several other times, coming at noon or later, gets you quite a bit of waiting line. Check out your burger steamer. What do you got? Bacon,
See that rolling off.
Bacon and cheese, yeah. Should be good.
Not bad.
That's good. Happy birthday, Steamer.
We ain't gonna get that one, no way. Oh.